Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Moat Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full Family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, before I get started, let me take a sip of water, and while I do that, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get right into it. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, okay? And listen, click that notification bell so anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. All right, you want to know what I know. Okay, listen, just a little bit about myself for those who don't know. I'm an internet marketer, affiliate marketer, network marketer. Anything that has to do with making money online, I'm your guy. All right, I pretty much have been doing this for over 5 years now. I was able to let my full-time job go back in December 26, 2015. I haven't had a full-time job since. All right, I've been working from home, and it's been truly amazing. I'm about to show you all something real quick right now. I'm inside of my email address. So matter of fact, we're gonna do this together so you can see it's not a game. All right, I know you're saying turn 5 into 1100. How? I'm about to show you. Okay, you're gonna make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. I'm telling you. Okay, so look, take a look real quick. And again, like I said, I appreciate you all, but I want to show you the notification I received from Acorns when it's dropped. Okay, so let me go back here, right here. Okay, right here. This is so simple, so easy, you all. Refer 11 friends for $1,100. Okay, listen. Acorns is nothing but an investment account. Okay, so you're going to invest $5, right? You're going to download this app. All right, my information is below. Make sure you click on the link below. All right, to do so. Click on the link. You're going to invest $5. Okay, you're investing $5 into your account. This is just an investment account. All right, and it grows over time. All right, so it's really that simple. You're not really paying for anything. This is really totally free because it's your $5 that's going to grow inside your Acorns account. But you have to create an account and you have to invest your $5. Okay, you invite 11 friends to grow with Acorns, and we'll invest $1,100 in your Acorns account. The last time they did this, they had a $500 promotion, and I capitalized on it. Okay, they're not going to pay out, all right, until December the 15th, or by December the 15th. Okay, so that's perfect time. It'll be 10 days before Christmas. If either you already done your Christmas shopping and you get to recoup on those expenses, all right, or you haven't done your Christmas shopping and then you get to go Christmas shopping. Okay, you maybe have to do, that last minute run. Either way, you have $1,100 in your account, all because you invested $5 into your account, right? All right, and you can invest more if you want to. I've been investing more. I've actually been doing $5 a month, just letting it grow. I'm going to start doing $20 a month, just sitting back and letting it grow, man. All right, but it's really that simple. I'm going to show you all how to promote it, but I want to give you all a little proof first. So here I'm in my back office of the Acorns account. You see it says "Good afternoon, Lil Derek." Okay, and I'm going to show you where I was able to draw out over $580 the last time I did it. All right, so as you can see, I've gotten like $65 for referrals. You get $5 each time you refer someone. Okay, and like I said, once you get to 11, they're going to pay you $1,100. On top of, you got the referral bonus. Okay, so let's look here. All right, I have a few that are, this is transference, this $5 that's coming. I have a few referral awards that are pending. All right, but I just want to show you where I was able to draw out the money. Okay, because I know that's what a lot of people want to see. All right, don't pay attention to some of the other numbers. Like I said, I'm investing more into it after I learned more and more about the account. I just first got into it because I heard I can get $500 for referring X amount of people, and I did that. All right, but as I learned more, like, wow, this is really game changing and can set myself up for the long run. Just something I can just put a little money back instead of putting it in a piggy bank jar and things of that nature, or putting it in a bank account where you're only getting a certain amount of pennies that they're paying you to put in a savings account. Why not put it in the Acorns account and let it grow, big time over time? But look, here's my withdrawal back October 18th. I withdraw $580 right into my bank account. Okay, so it's really that simple. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. All right, you can go to your Facebook account because people say, okay, I've done it. Now, how do I promote it? Really simple. Let me show you how I do it and how I go about mine and get a lot of leads. You also can always talk to family and friends, right? Never. Some people say, well, I only talk to my family and friends. They're gonna think it's a scam, think it's a fake. You never know. All right, so a closed mouth doesn't get fed. I've always told folks that. So at least try, see, hit them up, let them know. But for the most part, come to your Facebook profile, use one of these color backgrounds. All you do is just double click on when it says what's on your mind, or you tap double on your phone, and then it's going to pop up. All right, and all I do is I will put a color up like this, okay, and I will simply say turn $5, oops, into 1100. Comment how for more info. That's simple. Put up a post like that and it's going to go crazy. It's going to go crazy, okay? People are going to be asking you how, and all you do, you see my link below, how you see the format of my link? You can copy my same script, all right? And you're just going to take my URL link out of it and put your referral link in it, okay? And how you're going to get your referral link? When you sign up, all right, if you go to the main account under invite friends, I believe. Give me just a second. There it goes, showing you again, refer 11 friends for 1100. So you see it's not a game. Hold on 1 second. How do I get the referral link? Okay, right here. Invite friends, get $5. Okay, it's a referral link should pop up. Give me just a second, it's loading. But you know what? Because they've changed it. See, so you can show your link via Facebook. I think this is the let me see what that is right there. So that's the link. I just copied it right there. You copy the link, all right, and then you're just able to post it. I'm gonna just play around real quick. I'll just put it in Google. There it goes. All right. So you can see when I just pasted it up there, there goes my link. Okay. So all you do is come right there, click on that link, and there goes your link. All right, and then dress it up a little bit. Okay. This is what I do. So you can go to bit.ly and create you a short link. Don't use that link. Create you a short link. Okay, so go to bit.ly. It's free to set up an account here. Okay, and you can name it whatever you want. All right. Free money with Johnny. All right. Get paid with Kim. Whatever the case. But all you're gonna do is go here. You're gonna go to create. All right, and you're gonna paste that link in there. Paste your link and then you name it. All right, and it'll be bit.ly, whatever you name it. So it'll be bit.ly / get paid with Johnny. All right, $1,100 fast, whatever you want to name it. All right, it's really that simple. And then share that link. All right, so there you all have it. Go get the money. My goal is to probably rack up at least 2,200. Man, I'm gonna go hard at this, man. The promo ends, I believe, November 30th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Because it's going on through the whole, yep. So right here you can see standing and make their first investment by 11/30. All right, so they have to come in and make their $5 investment by November 30th. Okay, and bonuses are paid out by 12/15. So you might get it soon. All right, but if you get 1,100, I mean, if you get 11 people, that's 1,100. All right, you get 22 people, it's 2,200. You know the math. Okay, so on and so forth. As many as you want to get, man, just get out here and go promote. I know you know people. I know you got a Facebook friend list of at least 200-300 people or more. So it should be really simple, you all. I'm about to knock this thing out the park. And I have more things to come. So like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for my primary business. You all, the people who've been looking to join me in my primary business. You definitely want to stay tuned to this channel because I have some great news coming up for you guys in the following days. So with that being said, get to work. Get to work, okay? You got until November 30th to make $1,100. Go get your money. See y'all on the next video.